As you can see, medyo busy. So hindi na natin gagawin yan ngayon. We'll just stay here sa boat. Kasi pagod na ako. Hi there, thank you very much for clicking on my video. My name is Maki. It's my technically 4th day. Pangatlong tour ka na dito sa El Nido. Gonna be doing tour C today. El Biyahe 3 daw yung sasakyan namin, but sinundo ako ng super early, so hindi ako masyadong handa. Nakalimutan ko yung tubig ko. Marami ako nakalimutan, but then again, nandito na tayo. So huwag na natin i-push na natin to. Gonna be my last day here. Nandito ako sa port, sa kurong-kurong man siguro yung tawag dito. But yeah, samahan nyo ako to explore Tour C.
Before we start our tour, we have a short briefing regarding to our island hopping trip for today. And before we that, I would like to introduce myself, my family on board in our boat, and also our captain. By the way, my name is Kuya Janel, one of your guides for today, together with my partner Kuya Alvin, and also our boat captain, Captain Jojo. To those non-good swimmer, please raise your hand, don't be shy. Taas na kamay, hindi marunong lumangoy. Good luck po. Good luck everyone. Okay, we have 2 lifeguards here at the back, Kuya Bads and Kuya Joven. Okay, for here in El Nido, if we're gonna do island hopping trip, we have rules and regulations that we need to follow during island hopping trip. The first one, we're not allowed to remove our life jackets all the time for our safety. During navigation or tumatakbo po yung boat natin. Okay, clear? Yeah, because your life is your choice po. Malalaki na po kayo, baka na kayo sa buhay nyo. Sige ma'am. The second one, we're not allowed to throw our garbage in our destination, also in our ocean, because our ocean is not a trash can. That is a swimming area, right? Alright. The third one, we're not allowed to collect any kind part of marine life, like dead corals, rock, sand, shells, islands. Okay. Yung islands din na kasama. Okay, all view is going to Torsi, right po? Torsi tayo, no? Torsi. Okay, in Thursday, they have a 5 to 4 composed destination. It depends on the weather and the water visibility. But for now on, I would like to say sorry because one of our destination is not possible for today. The Secret Beach po. Because the Secret Beach is part of the open sea and the weather there is not good. Okay po? Okay, our first destination, we're gonna go at the Gadaw Island. Our activity that we're gonna do kayaking, but still we have 5 destinations. And the second one, we're gonna go to the Helicopter Island for snorkeling and picture swimming. And the third one, we're gonna go to the Talisay Beach for our lunch area, and also the Hidden Beach and the Matinloc Shrine. Okay, but the Matinloc Shrine is a private island that they have entrance pay 200 pesos per person. But that area is an optional po. Okay, it depends on the weather also, kasi part na siya ng open sea. Okay, our first destination, we're gonna go at the Gadaw Lagoon. We're gonna travel around 2 days by swimming. By swimming, but by boat, just only 30 minutes, and that's for all. I hope you enjoy. God bless you. Let's go.
first stop namin dito sa Tour C. Somehow, na-add nila yung Cadlaw, Lagoon, which we were there yesterday. So, hindi na ako magkakayakan. As you can see, medyo busy. So, hindi na natin gagawin yan ngayon. We'll just stay here sa boat. Kasi pagod na ako.
Because our next destination, it's a little bit far. We are just gonna travel around like 40 minutes going there. And that's all.
Ang ganda. Nandito kami sa Helicopter Island. It's really nice. Pero bintahay talaga dito yung beach. Look at that. So malalim agad yung tubig. So doon tayo mag-swimming. Doon lang allowed mag-swimming. Pag-picture siguro doon. Gusto ko sanang maligo, kaya lang parang delikado. Di ba naman? Ang lakas masyado. Baka abutin ako doon. Tignan mo kung gaano siya kataas. I can't. Pagmuni-muni na lang tayo dito. Hindi ko kaya lumakad. Lunch time na. Hindi ko nakatulog ako, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng island, but yeah, lunch na. Ang dami ng dagat, hindi makaligo. Kain.
No picture, no salary. That's why we need this. Beach, but Mountain Jump Shrine based on our campaign po. Not possible because that area is part of the open sea po. Medyo malakas yung weather doon. Tsaka yung alon. But we have still 5 destination. Kung hindi tayo makapunta doon, we're just gonna find some place to replace that area. Okay? We're just gonna do snorkeling in this side, maybe around like 3 minutes to 5 minutes by boat. And that's for all. that area, if you see that area, that is a private. The name of that area is Matinloc Island Resort, owned by a Chinese businessman. We don't know the name, but Chinese area.
Hi, nagbabalik. My name is Alvin Francisco, tour guide ng LBI Traveling Tours. Alright, ngayon papakita ko sa inyo kung anong kagandahan ng ilalim ng dagat ng El Nido. Let's go!
Behind of this limestone. If you want to see the beach area, you need to swim from the boat to their boat. You must bring your camera, aqua shoes, life jacket. Also bring it your snare finger because inside there's a lot of clownfish or Nemo. Yeah, we just gonna stay here around like 40 minutes to 50 minutes because our travel time going to town proper around 1 hour, like that. That's it.
Ayan, dito na kami sa final island. Doon yung hidden island something daw. Hidden beach. After nito, babalik na ng tao. Samahan niyo ako. Ayan pa. Ito yung tao. Alon. Thank you, kuya. Nandito na kami sa Hidden Beach. It's really nice. From the boat, nagpahila ko kay kuya. Pupunta doon. Tapos, ito yung view. Marami ng tao. Kanina wala pa. Kaya lang naka-aberya sa boat namin. Kaya iniba yung place to... Basta... Nagka-Iberia na natagalan ngayon tuloy. Unahan na kami ng ibang mga tao. Ayan, Hidden Beach. Maraming picture. Ay, hiningal ako. Ang ganda ng mga formations. Ang ganda dito. Tapos dun labasan na pala siguro. It's nice. It's really nice here. Ayan pa!
Tinataas niya kay Kunal. Ilan sila?
19 kami lahat.
Okay ka lang ba?
Lapit na ba tayo?
Wala po sa live.
Oh, dito na ba tayo?
Alright. Around 1 hour or more or less po.
First day dito eh.
So much for your trusting and I hope everyone enjoy. Everyone enjoy? Yeah. Alright, let's give it a clap to our captain for safety navigation. Okay, before you leave this boat, please check your all personal and pick up for the tricycle. Sa morning, pick up kami sa umaga at sa hapon.